This is Wilkin Rose reporting in. This is the planet Earth. I have been living here for 9 years. This is my report. Here's what humans call a house. People use it for shelter. It is a prairie style. The green stuff in front is grass. It is a plant. There are trees here. They come in different types, like oak, pine, and maple. They are very important because they give air to these humans. The gray street is a road where people drive cars. There are many places to see here. The Eiffel Tower. In the city of Paris is the country of France, or as we call it, Paris, France. Here are pictures of the Eiffel Tower, one of the biggest towers in the world. We are looming over the Eiffel Tower, the city of London. We are about to fly to the city of London to see Big Ben. Here we are looking at the big clock of Big Ben. We are now going to our school. In school, there's a playground. The grades are preschool, kindergarten, then first through 8th, then high school, then college. People go to school to learn. This is a school bus. School buses take people to school. These are some humans with their backpacks walking home from school. There are Asian, African, Europeans, Australians, North Americans, and South Americans. There are also Antarcticans, babies, children, adults, and old people, with also a few teenagers. These humans are the main animals on this planet. They are very important because they seem to take care of this planet as it takes care of them. This is a zoo. It keeps other kinds of animals besides the humans. Here we have animals such as lions, bears, coyotes, parrots, or other creatures besides humans. Some of these creatures are known to be wild. Humans go here to see some of these creatures. This is the moon. The moon travels around the Earth. It takes 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes, and 11.6 seconds to go all the way around the Earth. The Earth only has one moon. Astronauts have come here in very kooky space shuttles. You see those little circles down there? Those are craters. Those were made by space rocks, or also known as meteorites. Now let's go back to Earth. We will continue our research on the zoo. In the middle of Brookfield Zoo, we have a pond. There are different kinds of water places that are not ponds. There are rivers, lakes, oceans, and pools. We'll now go to the Pacific Ocean, where there is the most water on the planet. See that tiny little box right there with that little picture? That's the heart of the Pacific. We are now in water. Chicago has a big river. We will now visit, as we call it, the Chicago River. And apparently it is Illinois. See that big old river like there? See that big old river like right there? Now the river leads out into Lake Michigan. The Superior Lake is the biggest lake in the U.S., but Michigan is third best. They are part of the five Great Lakes at the different states. There are many different states, but our favorite, the one that we live in, is Illinois. Go in, go in. We will zoom in on our Illinois place. My bad. We will visit some of the other states around it, such as Michigan. We will now zoom in onto something we like to call a campground. These campgrounds are where people do such as sort of practicing like survival. Here we are at a campground made by my family. This campground we like to be named Rosa's Retreat. There are so many places in this such huge, big, amazing Earth, but apparently I can't really show you them all, but I can show you a glimpse. Here's Africa, Asia, Australia, North America,